If you've bought herbal essences or Pantene shampoos or conditioners under the pretense that the ingredients are naturally derived, check out this video. Procter & Gamble falsely advertises its herbal essences and Pantene shampoos as primarily containing natural origin and naturally derived ingredients, the lawsuit claims. The company makes claims that some products are 90% natural origin ingredients or 97% naturally derived ingredients, when the ingredients are more likely to be industrial origin, the class action says. Even with water included, the products do not contain the advertised number or mass of natural ingredients, the lawsuit says. Many of the exact same ingredients are used in other hair care products that are not and never have been considered natural origin. If you have purchased products based on the claims about naturally derived ingredients, as discussed in the Herbal Essence and Pantene class action lawsuit, check out topclassactions.com for more information. And don't forget to like and subscribe, follow and share my channel so you can keep up to date with any kind of cleaning recalls and eco-oily cleaning tips and organizing tricks by Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.